Here is set 2. You guys will notice that the equations are not written yet, so we're going to go ahead and do what we did in the last lesson, which is translate. And then we're going to solve. So number 5, -2 is equal to a number plus 9. It helps for me if I translate it while reading it. So -2 is equal to a number plus 9. So let me just write that down. -2 equals x plus 9. So I'm going to go ahead and solve that. First thing to do is draw a line down the middle. I see that in order to get x by itself, I need to get rid of, cancel that positive 9. The inverse of addition is subtraction. So I'm going to subtract 9. Whatever I do to one side, do to the other. I know that the positive 9 and negative 9 on the right cancel. And so that leaves me with x equals, and then -2 minus 9 gives me -11. And if you guys are wondering, -11 equals x is the same thing as x equals -11. Same thing. Number 6, a number minus 2, oh, there's two 2's there, so we can cancel that one out. A number minus 2 is equal to -1. So a number minus 2 is equal to -1. So I'll write that down. X minus 2 equals -1. To solve this, here's my line down the middle. I see that there's x minus 2. To get x by itself, I need to do the opposite of subtraction, which is addition. Oops, why did I put 9? I meant to put a 2, so plus 2. Whatever I do to one side, do to the other. So on the left side, the -2 and positive 2 cancel. I'm left with x. And then -1 plus 2 gives me 1. Okay, and then number 7, 5 times a number is -40. Let me go ahead and translate that. 5 times, so I'm going to put it down here, 5 times a number called x is -40. And let me go ahead and write it down here. Let me change this time symbol. Let me get a little dot. Okay, so 5 times a number, we'll say 5x, equals -40. To solve this equation, I see that to get x by itself, it's being multiplied with 5. So the opposite of multiplication is division. Whatever do to one side, do to the other. I know that the 5's cancel, which leaves me with -40 divided by 5, which is -8. Okay. All right, last one. A number squared is 81. Let's translate that. A number, we'll say x squared, add a squared there, is 81. So the equation I'm solving is x squared equals 81. All right, guys, like we said, if you see a square and you want to cancel that square out, we need to take the square root. Whatever you do to one side, do to the other. And so on the left side, I'm left with just x equals, two numbers that multiply to give me 81 is 9. And then like I said, it could also be a -9, right? Again, 9 times 9 gives me 81. So does -9 times -9. All right, and then just to check for understanding and kind of connect things together, what is the main idea behind solving one-step equations? And on the bottom, you guys see a little question bank or an answer bank. You guys can use the words operation, inverse operation, cancel both sides, variable, and isolate. So go ahead and try to write your own equation first and then compare it to mine. The main idea behind solving one-step equations is to isolate the variable by completing or doing the inverse operations